Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading passage Z, Sandy. The cries of the seagulls above the woman cackled overhead. The sun bore down as Sandy struggled to make headway along the sandy beach toward the distant lights. She hadn't been to this beach before. She was lost and felt relieved to see signs of human life after so many days and nights alone. The sun's rays made her thirst worse. 3 nights alone had taught her an important lesson. Never go running without a map, phone, or water. Questions. Where is Sandy? What had happened to Sandy? Why was Sandy worried? Had Sandy been to the beach before? Suggest a synonym for headway. Suggest a synonym for bore. What did Sandy regret not bringing with her? Did the sun help Sandy? Now let's check the answers. Where is Sandy? Sandy is on a beach. On a sandy beach, or we could say lost. What had happened to Sandy? Well, she had gone for a run and gotten lost. We know this because it says, never go running, and that she's lost on a beach. Now let's check the answers. Where is Sandy? Sandy is on a beach, on a sandy beach, or we could say that she is lost. What had happened to Sandy? She had gone for a run and gotten lost. We know this because it mentions running and the fact that she is on a beach. Why was Sandy worried? Well, a few reasons. Because she had not been to this beach before, because she was lost, or because she had been alone for many days and nights. Had Sandy been to the beach before? No, she hadn't been to this beach before. It states it clearly here. Suggest a synonym for headway, a synonym being a word of a similar meaning. Well, we could say the word progress. Suggest a synonym for bore. Well, a synonym in this text could be shun or pushed. What did Sandy regret not bringing with her as she went running on the beach? A map, a phone, and water. Did the sun help Sandy? No, the sun made her thirst worse. Thank you for your time. How did you go?